For over 25 years, the Voyager tent has been a favourite for backpackers and trekkers for year-round camping due to its aerodynamic shape and semi-geodesic design. The Voyager has a pack size of 52 by 13 centimetres and weight of 2.15 kilos or 4 pounds 12 ounces. The inner has a full midge-proof mesh and full solid door. The fly sheet can be unzipped in several different ways, providing ventilation options to suit weather conditions. A combination of proven Terra Nova watershed and waterblock fabrics provide excellent durability, UV resistance with superb waterproofing. The fly sheet and ground sheet are taped for complete water protection. We've used DAC Featherlight NFL, the lightest DAC pole that also uses a more environmentally friendly form of anodizing. It's supplied with terra firma alloy pegs that have a Y profile for more secure anchoring. Dyneema, the strongest man-made fibre that's stronger than steel, is used in the reflective guy lines. The semi-geodesic design and inner first pitching make the Voyager more stable and quieter than a tunnel tent in windy conditions. The freestanding format also makes the Voyager ideal where the ground is less firm. The Voyager is a tried and tested popular tent for year-round backpacking.